in terms of effect, we can say that electric current generates heat. Which produces light. So, this is one effect of electric current. The electric current also has an effect on magnets. Now, for this also there is a very simple activity. You can take the tray of the matchbox, the part that goes inside the hollow cover, take it out and then pass electric wire through it, and in between keep a small compass, magnetic needle, and then make the circuit, and you will find the moment circuit is complete, there is deflection in the magnetic needle. And how has this come about? Because of the electric current. Isn't it simple? So, second effect is that electric current produces magnetic effect. So, what did we do? We took a matchbox, placed a compass in it, and then completed the circuit, and what was the observation? Deflection of the needle. William Nicholson in 19th century, what he observed, that if electrodes are dipped in water and then electric current is passed through it, we can see bubbles near the electrodes. Today also you can do this, and if you do not get electrodes, you can use from old battery, but if you do not get them, you can even use nails. And when wires will be wound around the nails and the circuit will be complete, you will see bubbles. Now, what are these bubbles? These are bubbles of hydrogen and oxygen. From where are they coming? They are coming by the splitting of water. In class 7, you studied various type of reactions. There were one, decomposition reactions. Decomposition means when a compound breaks into one or more elements or compounds. So, in this case also, when electric current is passed through water, it breaks into hydrogen and oxygen. This is the effect of electric current, and this process is called hydrolysis. You see, by this method we can even deposit some metals on other metals. You know, there are some metals which are very strong, like iron. They are used in bridges, in making various parts of the machinery and cycle, etc., but they have a problem. And what is the problem? The problem is that this iron rusts very easily. The moment it is exposed to humid air, it becomes reddish brown, that is ferric oxide plus ferric hydroxide. So, this causes not just the change in color, but even the loss of the weight of the iron. Now, what is the way out? The way out is, of course, you can paint it or oil it, and another method is electroplating. There are some metals which are not corrosive, like zinc. So, if parts of iron are covered with zinc layer, then it will have the strength of iron and non-corrosive nature of zinc. Similarly, another metal is chromium. It has very good luster, it is shiny and plus non-corrosive. When you got your new cycle, how nice it was, bright, shining, and what happened after you fell down 2, 3 or more times? There were scratches, and the lower part was not as shiny as the upper. Why? Because chromium had been plated over it, and you know, these days gold is so expensive. So, what many ladies do, they do not use pure gold jewelry, instead they use electroplated jewelry. That is, a layer of gold is deposited over cheaper metals, so that it will have the shine and the look of gold, but actually it will not be as expensive as gold.